we got a top signal light out and we're going to replace it. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dave. It might be a little windy. This is Ghetto Van Adventures. Warren is rocking the camera today. And this is, what is it, 2011 F-150. And the top signal light is out. So we're going to do it. It's pretty easy. Don't be intimidated. So what you do is you open up the tailgate, and right in here, there's two 8mm bolts. Right there, top and bottom. And you just take those out. We're looking at this and it looks like it just pulls straight out. So brakes, Warren. Okay, there's the top one. Oh, that takes some force, so just be careful. He's actually shaking his head behind there. So just be careful when you're taking it out, okay? Okay, so when you're doing this, you see, let them get right in there. Take that, turn it counterclockwise, and there is your light. Okay, this is a 3057 bulb. Okay, Warren's got a new bulb here. And you just, literally, you just pop it in. Put it in like so. I said, oh. There. And then just lock it into place by turning. Now, I'm going to sit here and hold the camera while Warren, oh, is the keys in it? Oh. Oh, give me the keys. I'll check this to make sure that his top light is working. Because there's no sense of reassembling it. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah, there's no sense of reassembling it if the light doesn't work. Okay, so you take this, you got a little hole, you got a little knobby there, okay? Little guide pin goes in there. These two clips go in, okay? And here, you line everything up. Line everything up and just give it a little, there, done, in.
Bottom.
Put
Bottom
your,
in? Yeah.
Yep, it's in. And, oh, woo! I'm gonna cheat on this one. In there. And one in, we'll tighten up. Now remember, we're working with plastic and you have to be extra cautious today because it's downright cold, okay? And plastic doesn't like the cold. And you can see that? That's not tight. So just tighten up, not moving. Same with the bottom one. Done. There, that's how you do the taillights on this F-150. Thanks to Warren for letting me do this on his truck. Let me shoot the video on it. Thanks, Warren.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, that's it. That wraps it up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. You guys take care. Please be safe on the road.